Hi there, this is Vincent McGrath of Carry On Coaching, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be just simple ground stroke shots, finding a target on the wall, and we're going to look at the grips. So as a beginner, all you want to be focusing on is a simple, what they call a continental grip, which is that there, look, in the top corner. Yeah, can you see? So basically all you need to do is when you're holding the racket, see where your finger and thumb meets, it creates a V. That wants to be straight down the middle, or alternatively you want to just be able to see the bottom two fingertips. Yeah, so your two small fingertips, see the fingertips. Yeah, and that's a perfect grip for beginners. Okay, right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a sponge ball, but also you want good foot positioning. So you want your front foot, your left foot if you're right-handed, that always wants to be planted in front of you with a nice bent knee. Yeah, and then when you make contact with the ball, that wants to be in front of that front foot and the knee. Yeah, so here we go. So we've got some targets on here, just some nice kiddie targets. Yeah, target board, kiddie target with an animal on. And then we've got some of my favourite things: dad, mum, high five, dogs. Reward yourself when you've hit so many targets. Yeah, so basically nice and easy. Drop the ball in front of you, bounce, push and through. Bounce, push and through. Oh, that's a bit high. Bounce, push and through. Bounce, push and through. There we go, one target. So come across, give yourself a high five. Yeah, we can do this as many times as we want. Now we'll go for the higher one. What you do with that is you bend your knees more and push the racket up to the sky. Up. Quite difficult. So try and catch the ball back. Push, 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 bend, push. There we go, have a high five. Oh, thumbs up to your dad. Yeah, so we'll go for a lower one again. This one over here. Oh, oh, straight onto it. See, you'll get better. Kiss your mum. Yeah, you'll get a lot better as you practice this. Yeah, I'm starting with a sponge ball. Nice and easy. So then, we're going to go backhand now. So backhand, same again. Opposite way round, push through. So this time you're putting your right foot down because you're coming through. Yeah, nice and easy. Bounce the ball, push through, up, over, push through, up, over, push through, up, over, push through. Quite difficult actually. There we go. There we go. Pet the dogs, stroke the dogs, whatever. Make it fun, make it interactive. Right then, now what we're going to do is we're going to go for 2 on the trot. Yeah? 2 shots on the trot. 1. Oh, not quite. Start again. 1. No. Quite difficult. 1, 2. Hey, here we go. And a high five. Have you noticed I've got this right hand out in front of me? Because this is for balance. Yeah? Yeah? Same again. Backhand. Push through. Push through. Push through. Oh, quite difficult with these. I'm going to try a red ball. That's the next stage up. Yeah, sponge balls are a bit bouncy. Ready? So here we go. Backhand. Up. 1. Mind you don't hit the reward badges. There we go. 2 we go. And a hook over. Yeah. So that's a nice simple one for all those kids out there. So don't forget, parents, make sure that you help your kids out. Have a go yourself if you're only just learning. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy yourself. Make it fun. Be creative. Stay safe. Stay at home.